Grab your pencil and draw a smiley face with slanted eyes. Now give this happy fella 2 round freckles, right about here. Great! Move over to the other side and draw a plus. Starting from the end of the smile, draw a U shape that bubbles towards the center slightly and then continue up and around. Continuing that same bubbly shape, you will once again be drawing a U that bubbles inwards and connects back to the smiley. And you did it! Cute doodle complete! I really like making these bite-sized tutorials. Please like and sub if you'd like me to make more of them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.